Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday evening and I decided to kind of show you guys what we've been doing this weekend as far as a few projects we've had going on. I kind of want to make this like maybe a weekly or bi-weekly video where I just kind of show you guys what we've been doing around the house. We have a few projects coming up and we usually do them on the weekend, so I think a weekend projects video is really fun to do and kind of update you guys on life and what's been going on. So if you follow me over on Instagram, we recently got a new bed and bed frame, so I wanted to show you guys that today. And then I've also been doing a few things around the house, so stay tuned for that. And also make sure you like this video if you like these kinds of videos, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I also wanted to quickly say thank you guys for helping me hit 20,000 subscribers. I honestly can't believe that this is even real. I'm just so happy to be doing YouTube. I love doing this and sharing pieces of my home and myself with you guys. So I really appreciate you being here and I just wanted to say thank you. Also, I'm doing a $50 Target gift card giveaway over on my Instagram. So I will have my handle linked right here if you guys want to go over there. I will announce the winner on Wednesday, March 18th. So go check that out if you guys want to enter and have a chance to win a $50 gift card. I just wanted to say thank you guys for helping me hit 20K. Okay, so here is the bed frame and the new bed that we've gotten. I'm gonna share all the details about the bed itself, like our mattress, in an upcoming video. I'm so excited about it. Before we had this bed, we had a queen size bed and this is a king, so it is so much more roomy and comfortable. I love it. We both do, but I wanted to share how I've styled it. So it is kind of getting later in the evening, so if it's dark in here, I apologize, but I got our bed frame from a local furniture store, but I actually can link it for you because Ashley Furniture also sells this piece of furniture. So I will have our bed frame linked below, and then I'm just going to share with you guys all the details because I've kind of been working on this the last couple weeks. So I'll give you guys an up close of the bed frame itself. So the upholstery is a gray color and it's really cozy, and then the frame itself is white, but it's kind of chippy. So it's definitely a modern farmhouse vibe. And I love how tall it is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it also has the whiteboard on the side. And I like that it has the front piece as well, just to tie it all together. But I am obsessed with this bed. I love it so much. And then I've got a couple king size pillows. So we have standard size pillows for ourselves. And this may not even be the right way to make a bed. This is just how I do it, and I'll usually fold this back, but for the sake of this video, or I guess I didn't today, and we've also had dogs jumping on it, so it might be a little messed up. But anyways, our comforter is from Home Goods, and I will try to link it down below. It's really cozy, and I think it kind of gives like a boho look to it. And then I also got these 2 Euro size pillows from Home Goods as well. They came in a 2-pack for $35. And then for the king comforter and 2 shams, I believe it was $69. So 70 bucks for the comforter and 2 pillowcases isn't bad. And then I also got our sheets from Home Goods as well, and they are by the brand Serta, and they're kind of like a cooling effect, and they were from Home Goods for $25 for 4 pillowcases and the fitted sheet and also the top sheet. So really good deal, I thought, for sheets. And then the pillows in the front, the 2-pack is from TJ Maxx, and those were $25 for 2 of them, which was a great deal. And then I have a Ray Dunn pillow in the middle, and I actually bought this off of a lady who's local. I love that. I thought the Rise and Shine was so fitting for a bed. And then to make it a little more cozy, I put this throw blanket over here. I also have this tray, so it's just a wooden tray. We actually got this for one of our wedding presents. So I've got some Joanna Gaines stuff. I've got their Magnolia storybook and like her latest journal, and also her winter one. Love looking through those. And then I also have a Hearth and Hand candle. This one is the lavender eucalyptus. It smells so good. And then I just have a faux greenery plant that's a little bit frosted from TJ Maxx. So that's what I have set up for the bed. So I need to hang up this Farmhouse sign on top of the bed. I'm gonna put it just right up there. It was hanging up there before, but the bed frame is too tall now, so I've got to bring it up even more. And we do have vaulted ceilings in here, which I like. It makes the room bigger, and I feel like we can have a taller bed frame and it not look weird. So we're gonna hang that up, and then we will move on to the next project.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who...
Okay, and there it is, hung up. I'm not sure if it's level. I actually have a level on my phone. It's just an app, so I'm gonna check that and make sure it's good, but I think that really ties in the room well. I feel like it needed something, so love it. That sign is from Hobby Lobby, if you guys are wondering. All right, project number 2 of the weekend were a little bit of decor tiles that I got from Target Dollar Spot. So if you guys seen on my Instagram, I actually picked some of these up, and I was like, what am I gonna do with these? And then I was like, you know what? That would be really cute behind the stove. So that's what I did. We pulled the stove out, and these are literally clear stickers. So our walls are a really light gray, and so it just shows through. So whatever color your wall is, it will show through. And we just lined them up, measured them, we leveled them out, and stuck them on. And it took like maybe 15 minutes. So really neat, and I think it just adds a fun little pop in the kitchen. And literally, you guys, that was $3. $3, which is so crazy. So if Target has these online for their Dollar Spot, I'll link them. If not, I'm gonna try to find something similar if you guys just want to grab them from Amazon or something. But how cute. I'm obsessed. Eventually, we are gonna do subway tile all throughout our kitchen, and also like over here on this wall as well. But for now, I really feel like this is so fun. I don't know, you guys let me know if you like it, and if you would do it. I've seen some people also do the same thing. So really good for $3, and it was so easy. Literally, they're just like stickers. So super fun DIY that's not a lot of time and not a lot of money. Okay, the next project that I did were installing these mixed tiles up on our wall. And if you guys have seen our living room, I also have a bunch of mixed tiles on there. It's just these little photo collage picture frames, but you can literally take them on and off the wall just by peeling them off. So how cool is that? It has a sticky piece on it, and you can literally just line it up and stick it on. There we go. That one's a little crooked. I'm gonna have to fix it, but that's how easy it is. Is that not so cool? So these are $11 a tile, which isn't bad if you bought picture frames and pictures. And I also have a coupon code, so I will have that linked down below, but I'll show you guys the pictures. So I like to just update our pictures every now and then. I thought this one was so cute of Brooks. Oh, I die. I like having casual ones and just like everyday stuff. That way I just never forget these little moments. You guys look. How sweet is that? Him looking at Taylor. So sweet. Also, there's a sock down there. If that's not real life, I don't know what is, but sweet little moments. So I love that. Mixed tiles is great. I also got them super quick. I think it only took 2 days to get them in after I bought them, which is amazing. I think it said it was going to be up to a week of shipping, but it literally was so fast. So, and then I need to do something else with this little table in the office. I've been just stacking books up, but I got these picture frames from Home Goods. How pretty. They were $10 a piece. I got 2 of them, and I need to get some pictures printed, but I thought that all the detail on them was just so pretty. So definitely look at Home Goods for picture frames and stuff like that. That's my next project, is to get some pictures printed, but I love how this wall turned out. Okay, the next thing that we did was put a new wreath on the front door. So I just have this boxwood wreath from TJ Maxx. I think it was around $25, but they have really good deals on them. And then I got this cute little Home Sweet Home sign from Walmart. It was only like $8, and I just hung it with a piece of twine to the wreath and just have it hanging on a hook there. And I think it adds like a bright pop of white. And then on the sides of our door, I've got this boxwood in these little planters, and I was looking for some boxes like this everywhere, and I couldn't find them, but I finally found some at Hobby Lobby, and these were in the Spring Shop line, so they were half off or 40% off, so they were like $11 each. And I already had these. I just took them out of the previous box and put them in these. I may paint them white. What do you think? Should I keep them wood toned or paint them white? But I really like how they've turned out. And then I've got a buffalo check mat from Hobby Lobby and a welcome sign or a welcome mat from Aldi. And that's all I have out so far, keeping it really simple until I can get some real flowers out. But I wanted to tell you guys about my new security system. It's from a brand on Amazon called Toucan, and it's got a doorbell, and it also has a camera. You can hear people talk, and you can also talk back, so it's a really great deal, and you can control it all from your phone. So I'll show you guys the app once I get inside, but I love this thing. It's got a wide view of the whole front porch, so it's awesome, and it's only $80. So it's a really great deal for the quality and for all that you get with it. So I'm really impressed, and you can just ring it and it lights up and you can hear it inside. So I'll show you the little piece that actually rings inside. We also installed one up here in the corner, and it's also $80, but this one has a view of our driveway, which is so handy, and it has a magnet so you can angle it any way that you'd like, and it works out really well. So there's a full view of the front porch. I cannot wait to get out here and scrub the porch and get everything nice and fresh. I'll have the doorbell one and the garage view as well linked down below if you guys want to get yourselves one. I highly recommend it. There's nothing better than peace of mind. So let's go in and I'll show you the actual doorbell. Okay, so this is what the doorbell actually looks like, and you can either stick it up on the wall and have it somewhere, or just set it on a shelf or something, or in your kitchen or wherever you can hear it. But it is super loud, and I'm really impressed with just the quality of the whole system, and I absolutely would recommend it. I actually want to get my grandparents one because I feel like with them being way out in the country, they could really benefit from having a camera. All right, the last project is hanging up some shelves over the toilet in our guest bathroom. I have literally done nothing in this bathroom, and I have big plans for it one day. I want to get a different vanity and mirror and different like fixtures and stuff, but it just hasn't been a priority since we've moved in. I also want to get rid of the light fixture. I'm just not a fan, but literally it's a blank space. So I got these shelves from Amazon and I thought they were so cute, and they're only around $20 for 3 of them. So I'm gonna hang them up and decorate it and take that little sign down. So they're just wood toned with some black hardware, and these will attach to the wood, and then I'll screw it up on the wall. So Dad's gonna help me hang these up and make sure they're level and all that good stuff, and then I'll show you guys how I style them.
Like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious.
Alright, here's what the shelves are looking like. So my intent behind this was to have the bottom one a little bit lower. That way I could have like a tall vase with some greenery, and then the top 2 a little bit closer together. If I do decide to move that bottom one up, I can do so, but that's what it's looking like for now. So let's go ahead and style it.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me.
Alright, so there's what it looks like for now. I also added the basket on the top of the toilet. I may put some like rolls of toilet paper in there, but I like that it's really neutral. Definitely a modern take, and you guys can tell over here is not modern at all, so it definitely needs a refresh in this area. All right, so that is it for this weekend projects video. A little bit of odds and end things around the house that we needed to get done, and it's been on our to-do list for a while, so hopefully this encourages you to get what you have on your to-do list done as well. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram if you guys want to see daily updates and DIYs and all kinds of home stuff, and make sure to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.